don't know, man, if this is the best draft, to be honest. I still feel True Rippers, unke paas wo slight advantage hai just because of that Phobius. That is the only thing which I'm kind of concerned about.
That's it.
Agar wo Phobius nahi hota, I would have simply said CRQ is winning this game. But because of the Phobius, Gone is entirely shut down. वो नहीं कर सकते कुछ इस point पे.
That's a big call.
Yeah, again, it's a high stakes game, man. They're gonna face all of these things, ladies and gentlemen, as we hop back again in the land of Dawn. Both the junglers right now, starting all the way from their orange, might end up at the opposite ends of the map now. That's gonna be one thing. Contest yeah, it's actually on the bottom side right now, so Jan will be the one prioritizing it, but down the bot, Rudy has picked off instantly. Now you jump in. It's gone onto that Freya. SKB hops back just to make sure that there's not going to be any kind of invade whatsoever onto the bear camp.
I think so. Everything is completely solid in terms of the emblems, right?
One thing.
Yeah.
Not really going in for the Festival of Blood though. Gone.
Oh.
Weapon Master ke saath gaya to have the extra damage from the emblems, the items. So that's a new thing.
Okay.
Everything pretty cool. Tenacity for both the mages just so that they can have that extra bit of leeway in terms of poking each other. 27 को कोई दिक्कत होगी नहीं. Rehan is just gonna try and freeze the wave in his favor. और Kimi अपनी presence से थोड़ा सा doubt में रखेंगे अब उस time पे. Asuna, he gets picked off.
That's the first blood.
Yeah, at the very last edge of the Yugi shadow kill, Yahiko gets that first one.
That's a bad thing. They had a Hayabusa starting में ही advantage ला दिए ऊपर से Phoebus के games and Uranus. Love the positioning of Harley too. Collecting a lot of information though, completely unaware about Ian's
shadows
position
नहीं है Yahiko के पास.
This is going to be very important. Ian could be dead. Oh, he's barely surviving. One more hit. Then
Oh!
yes, Rehan eventually Phoebus chimes in, gets a kill. Kimmy is trying to survive. Ian gonna do something big. Rehan's trying to run away. He will not.
Yeah, he's taken down. Oh, hold on.
Wait a minute.
He can actually get beat. Oh my goodness, that was so very close. But Gone doing God's work in the back line. Kimmy को pick off कर दिया था in the meantime, and a very good answer from CRQ.
Double kill, by the way. And the Gone, the Freya positioning is so good in beating jungle and eventually killing your opponent at the perfect time. Perfect, man. इसी चीज की बात कर रहे थे. ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है starting में ही early pressure by the players of CRQ, and they are looking a bit annoying to the players of True Rippers. Gone obviously towards the gold lane. Rian 27 इनका तो battle चलता रहेगा. 27 has the advantage though. Trying to chip him down. Level 6 करे escape. एक level का disadvantage, but 27 still trying to take down the creep.
In the mid though. पूरी slow approach हो गई है इस time पे. True Rippers realize that Gone की वो Freya pick is going to be a bit more annoying to deal with. And if anything, वो 1v1 easily जीतेंगे against Kyle. And Kyle has to play very passive, very safe. इसीलिए Gone can simply go in, clear the wave, cut the wave, and then hop back into the fights where he is needed. Jan का mostly focused towards that top lane ही है अभी तक. Even on... That's where 27 is, and I don't know if that is the right call to make. Oh, you don't really want to fight the Freya, but guess what? That is the priority lane for CRQ. Kimmy को फिर से pick off किया है. And now they've got slight bit of an advantage, जो कि थोड़ी ज़्यादा build up होती जा रही है अब. With over a 1.5k goal lead right now, Kyle seems to be in trouble. There is no major ultimate available apart from the Valkyrie descent down in the bot, so he should be fine. 20 more seconds for this turtle right now.
Eve loved the positioning though. Cold Crab will eventually goes for Hayabusa. 10 more seconds for the turtle. Rehan got spotted. Not going to be a problem. 27 just trying to bait him out, and oh, 27.
It's fine. You just want someone to damage him
already.
No, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Just to get those stacks up, right? जो passive stacks आपको 20 चाहिए. अभी क्योंकि कॉन्सेक्रेशन इज लेवल 1 प्रोबेबली, वो आपको 10 देती है। लेवल 8 पे जब आपकी अल्ट अपग्रेड होगी तो वो 15 देगी, एंड जब आप लेवल 12 हिट कर जाते हैं द लेवल 3 अल्ट वो आपको 20 स्टैक्स देती है पूरे। They just wanted those stacks to be up, that's all. Easily मैप ओपन हो चुका था तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई CRQ को टर्टल लेने में। Down towards the bottom, हल्का सा लेन स्वैप आता हुआ। It is going to be the point where दोनों टीम opposite lane में खेलना चाहेंगी, especially when Kyle is still going 0-0. Not really having a big advantage. 5.5 minutes in with the Demon Hunter sword right now. Alright, fair. He's not slow farming.
Yeah,
But ये वाला major point आ जाता है जहाँ पे थोड़ा snowball hit करने लग जाएगा अब True Rippers को थोड़ा सा. Sky Piercer picked up by Yahi, but hold on a second, up top has been taken down and 2v1. No trade on the other part of map whatsoever for CRQ, and that could be a bit of a problem.
certainly. Hayabusa can get instantly got killed off कि maybe उनके पीछे जाते हुए। But 27 बहुत समझदारी के साथ खेल रहे इस समय। Kyle leveling up, Kimmy still present. Remember, this is going to be a little bit problematic. Ian going all in with the Deadly Magic, pretty less HP, but the T1 will go down. Meanwhile, counter aggression. Kyle take down the turret, but Peter, Phobius is completely out. Gonigon will escape it. But the T1 will survive. I think so that's going to be trade. But I think so it will be for the players of True Rippers because you're taking it close to the turtle. Yeah, man, too much level up.
It's going to be the back and forth rate right now. Again, दोनों ही टीम के gold laners और junglers हैं जो main priority पे हैं, who are in the top 4 in terms of gold. But Gonigon way too far ahead than anyone else. At least for now, and that's going to be the big thing. Corrosion Scythe already बना लिया था, and I'm pretty sure he was going in for the War Axe. बस अब उसमें वही पॉइंट आ जाता है कि रेहान जो बार बार इन्फर्नल परस्यूट में जा रहे हैं, ही इज ऑलवेज 1v3ing the other team. It's never a 3v3. मैं बस वेट कर रहा हूँ कि कब ट्रू रिपर्स की बाकी टीम भी इकट्ठा होके खेलेगी रेहान के साथ. Because you can't really leave a 4vs alone like that.
Exactly. It's going to be a very important positioning to play along. Another total goes for Hayabusa. Hey, Iko को इतना total farm करवा दिया आपने, कुछ परेशानी नहीं है. Meanwhile, another fight kind of panned out. Peter creating that space. The turtle eventually goes into the favor of True Rippers. Apologies for CRQ, but you get the grab. Rehanj. Distracted, but still under control. Center will control करना important. 27 Valkyrie descent instantly utilized. Ian tipping out a lot of damage. Goes back. Kimmy pushing Rudius back. Peter also trying to bait it out. A bit of a slow game though.
Very, if anything. सिर्फ objectives के ऊपर focus कर रहे हैं इस टाइम पे दोनों ही teams. And then know कि एक हल्की सी गलती है सामने वाली टीम पूरा गेम निकाल के ले जाएगी. So they don't really want to hop in with that anything. Gonigon क्योंकि अब Vengeance भी नहीं है, Valkyrie's Descent भी नहीं है. Just gonna go back out there. Lane priority के ऊपर पूरी बात आ जाएगी कि कौन जाके उस far lane को clear कर रहा है, control कर रहा है. As we have a look at the items as well. To complete it from the Holy Trinity. Just need a Corrosion Scythe for Kyle. उसके बाद वो activate होंगे. तब हम देखेंगे aggression. While the Lightning Truncheon is now being prioritized by Ians as well. Naomi picked up. No Radiant whatsoever for Kimmy. That is a bit of a problem right now because there's still Peter 27. Rudius, hold on a second. This is the kill box we always were talking about. Peter pretty low in the HP. Has to go back as it's gone. To be picked up first. Peter falls in with the second online. And now you see the change in the gears for True Rippers.
Yeah, perfect. Deadly Magic being utilized after that RWM Inferno Pursuit instantly invested too, but now you're in a very peculiar spot. Rudius could go down. 27 barely surviving, falls back. Rudius about to get killed, but he escapes that high loss. Haunts a pixel of his HP. 10 more seconds, and then the Lord will spawn. I think so, True Rippers, they got a good advantage though, but now Peter is back. They're going to take down the T1. Close lane.
Good juggle on the
Very
tower
important
damage.
though.
That's what I'd have to say.
Yeah.
Kimmy बीच में आराम से खड़े
Oh,
जरूर
Gonigon?
hold on. Yeah, वही बात है क्योंकि काइल के पास पूरे 5 stacks हैं. He's got the DHS, he's got the golden stuff. He can go face to face against Gonigon sometimes.
Not always.
I mean, if you're really talking about a pure 1v1, Gonigon will destroy. He's got the Vengeance as well. He's got Corrosion Side, Vorax. He's probably going to go for the golden stuff as well. Because I don't think so he needs endless battle in this one. Zyada tankiness hai nahi, bas Rehan or Kimi hi hai if anything.
That's it.
So you might want to go for extra bit of damage there.
But yaad rakhiye, Kimi going to be playing an important role. Lord has been already started. 27 got baited out. Rehan tried to shut him down. Peter is taking out some amount of damage. Rehan eventually battling it out. Going all in. Eons with a deadly magic. Once again, dude, he's not in a good position. Not looking good for him. Eons could go big this time. RW eventually utilized. Kyle takes down that high loss. Peter dishing out a lot of damage from the back end. But you gotta shot down
Gonigon.
And Gonigon might get killed. He's barely. Now he's done. This Claude is crazy. Hayabusa replied back. Phobius is done.
Yan.
Oh, crappy.
Yan, he's got the deadly magic up right now. He can actually catch Peter though, but instantly Peter figures out where he is. Rolling his place down, man. And thoda sa reckless decision from Gonigon deciding to hop back into that fight. And I believe it was just because Yahiko gave him a call that I'm hopping in. I don't know if that was the best call there whatsoever. Because yes, you are that person who will dive in the enemy backline, who will delete them. But at least आपके पास 27 या फिर Rudius में से कोई एक होना चाहिए जो कि थोड़ा डैमेज शो करे.
27 just got the chances fall from the top move और अपने आप को save पाने वाले Glorious Partner by the way. But once again, Lord has been done and it's of to no use.
Blitz. यही सबसे मेन बात आती है कि जब भी लॉर्ड डांस होता है towards the half HP, अब आपके पास बड़ा डिसीजन है. Do you want to go for the contest or do you want to just hold your space down and call it a gamble that this might be a reset?
Oh man,
It wasn't this time.
True Rippers about to do the unthinkable though. The Lord is moving. Kyle takes down the turret. 27 spotted. Kimi going all in and this is not looking good. Eon, you have to take care of him. Perfect ultimate by Gwyn. The Violet Trick can work. Peter won't be able to help you out. And now you lost one of your tank. This is not looking good, dude. He's going to escape the high loss blow. This pathway is still there, but he's not going to utilize it right away. Eons, he's looking solid. He's unstoppable, though. The Lord is there, Eons. You're going to go big.
Good earth right now, though, just to stop them all up from hopping forward. Kyle just hops out too. No Shadow Kill available, so Yahiko not going for any kind of overcommitment whatsoever. क्योंकि एक early lord था, level 1 lord था, ज़्यादा कुछ problem आई नहीं है. You're just got the mid inhib down. Hold on a second, this could be a big pick. Rehan all back in. Yahiko उनके ऊपर मार्क जरूर लगाया. So he goes in for the Infernal Pursuit as the backline is all the way out open. Vengeance up on the face as well, but Gonigon is going to be bursted down. He hops back in to the fight, just getting more passive to Rehan as Kyle takes him down. And no more Shadow Kill available for Yahiko, so it's a double for Kyle right now. Some trades going back and forth, but it's still it's True Rippers with a bit of an advantage.
What a crazy blazing duet that was alongside the support of Kyle, man. Humongous, by the way. And Eon's also surprised in that particular situation, taking down one lad. बहुत अच्छा kill. Yahiko not happy with that performance though. आपका सेंटर का इनहिबिटर टूट चुका है. Now we know अगर ट्रू रिपर्स को लॉर्ड मिला तो कितनी ज्यादा परेशानी आ सकती है. Scared. The look on your face. You're a bit disappointed though.
Jushin और Freya होने के बाद not being able to snowball. अब मैं तारीफ करना चाहूँगा True Rippers की इस point पे.
We should, yeah.
Because जैसे उन्होंने hold down कर रखा था इस game को right from the first minute mark. Yes, even though एक advantage आई थी CRQ के पास, but they just could not convert it into something big. और क्योंकि अब वो चीज़ deny हो चुकी है, Claude will have the priority in this late game. This is the big reason why normally Freya is pretty busted. क्योंकि वो आपको early से mid game में इतना control दिलवाती है कि late game तक का मौका ही नहीं आता. But with the early Chastis picked up as well. बस अब एक ऐसा पॉइंट आ जाता है जहाँ पे Gonigon अकेले एक 1v3 की सिचुएशन में फंसे पड़े होते हैं. Because 27 normally gets low in the HP. Rudius या तो pick off ही हो जाता है या फिर just has to run back and cannot join in towards that back lane. His main job is to protect Peter. And he picks up the endless battle now. Should be fine. Yeah. Oh, real world manipulation just to zone them out. Red tree picture perfect. 27 pretty low in the HP. Gonigon is again left alone. Goes in for the vengeance as well, but he has to jump back to safety. It's just Rehan zoning out every single one single-handedly. Yahiko wants to catch down Kyle. Goes in for the Yugi shadow kill. No stacks upon his face, but it still is enough to shut him down. But can Yahiko survive? Can he run back to safety is the big question, and he has the shadows to do so. But Yan against Peter, 1v1 on the face. Yeah, not really the best possible answer, but it's absolutely fine as the Lord marches down in mid. Rehan is going to be up on the face. Yan gets the basic attack on the crystal, and it's a 2-0 for True Rippers.
No, man, they did the thing.